Hello, my Cameroonian people and everyone watching me all around the world. Happy New Year. I decided to bring to you guys this amazing recipe. This is a recipe I decided to incorporate into my New Year menu, guys. So this is my first time trying this recipe. I've tasted this food once in my life and I absolutely loved it. This is called coco Bible. I added something on the side, which is what they normally eat it with, but I don't have a video of this is kanda sauce you are seeing. Okay guys, so on to our main ingredients, which is this cocoyam. This cocoyam is in two different species. One is the purple one and one is the white one. And the white one tends to be a little bit watery, meanwhile the purple one tends to be a little bit dry. Mix both of them to have a good consistency. Okay, so I'm using this juicer. As you're seeing, this is what we use in making our achu. I found out that somebody used this to process their cocoyam for coco, so I decided to use it. This was a lifesaver for me, guys. I didn't want to use a blender because that would consume or make me put a lot of water in my coco, which I learned it was not a good idea. Okay, I finished grating that. I had my niece help me to process that while I was doing other things, and then I move on to making the coco itself. This is me just adding seasoning. I add some Maggi crevette together with some salt, mixing this thoroughly. I'm gonna go ahead and add my crayfish after tasting and adjusting my seasoning. I'm gonna add my crayfish, mix that thoroughly until everything is well combined. It looks like I didn't have enough crayfish, so I decided to go in with a little bit more. After which I move on to my next ingredient, which is this palm oil. Make sure this palm oil was heated a little bit and poured into my cocoyam mixture. I'm mixing this thoroughly until everything is combined, until I have my desired, color, which is going to be a creamy yellow color like this. I'm gonna move on to tying my coco, guys. I got this leaf from the store, fresh like this. Like I was shocked to have this, from the store. But I think it was a blessed day for me, so I got exactly what I needed for this thing. So I put a generous amount, and I'm gonna be adding some bunga fish. Okay, so yes, this is just the process. Just seeing how I wrap it. I learned this from YouTube, guys. Like I can't even take this credit to myself. I tied like 4 to 5 of this without pepper, and I decided to go in with some pepper. Guys, after tying everything, I had to use this big pot, and I use this separate gas to cook this. I cooked this for about 2 hours, but I was opening from time to time to add water because you couldn't put a lot of water at once. Guys, it was 2 hours after or a little bit more, and our kwankoko was ready. Look at that, Shamsus. Coco, guys, this is my first time making this. It was so easy, I can't even lie. Try this if you've never tried this, and give this video a thumbs up. Let me know what you think about this. I'll see you guys in my next one. Bye bye.